So my first experiment kind of started with a Sprite bottle. Um, it was kind of a special occasion because my mom wouldn't let me have sugar or stuff like that. So my dad got a Sprite bottle for us, and we split it. And then what we did is we put a glove, a balloon, on the bottle, and then because we're lucky to live in Los Angeles, there's big mountains right behind us, basically in our backyard. So as you go up into the mountains, the air pressure drops, which I had kind of known about but hadn't really thought about. And it was cool seeing as you're going up in the car. In the back seat, you have the contraption of the Sprite bottle with the balloon, and it's growing as you're going up. Arriving at the top of kind of our trek, my dad had something else planned actually too. I think, where we stopped at a lookout to kind of finally measure the top volume of the balloon, and we got out of the car and he kind of pointed through the trees, and that was my dad pointed and said that's Mount Wilson Observatory, where Edwin Hubble worked. I didn't really know who that was, so he explained that's where other galaxies were discovered, and the expansion of the universe was first really observed or measured indirectly, and that was really cool to me. I learned that the expansion of the universe is a very counterintuitive thing, because from what even Hubble saw and the people he worked with when they were up at the observatory, was that all the galaxies that were further away from us that they could measure were rushing away faster. People thought about it for a while and realized it's kind of a simple explanation, just you have to kind of change how you look at it, and it actually can be demonstrated on this balloon, where if you imagine all of three-dimensional space, all of the universe, on the surface of this balloon, and we put dots on it, and you blow it up, all the dots are moving away from each other at the same rate, but from every specific dot, it seems like they're the center. And that's a pretty interesting thought. Anyone can be a part of this process of science, and that anyone can feel the wonder that it has within it. Even using a balloon that we just got from our neighborhood grocery store, it somehow could reveal something about nature, about the world around us, in a way that I hadn't experienced before. And that's something I think a lot of people in science experience, and people outside of science looking in experience, but don't really talk about it much. I wish more people could feel that. Learn more at eventhorizonmag.com.